What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a real good minute, you guys. It's been a real good minute. Real talk, for reals. It's been a good minute. Reason being is because I've been so caught up. I've been so focused on my fitness journey for March, and that's just where like all my attention has been, and I just completely forgot of like filming like anything, tutorials for you guys. Like, you guys have been waiting for like hair tutorials, makeup tutorials. Like, I'm just like, what the heck am I doing? It's because I'm just real focused, you guys. And if you guys don't know what I'm talking about, first of all, if you are new to my channel, hi, welcome. I'm Jen. If you like to keep up with my videos, make sure to hit that subscribe button down below. Make sure to also hit that notification bell as well, so you get notified every time I upload a new video. But yeah, so if you guys don't know, obviously if you are new or you know, you follow me, I am on a fitness journey every month. So if you guys like to check that out, I'll go ahead and put the link down below. I have January's fitness journey up, and I have February's fitness journey, and March's fitness journey is currently in the making right now. So yeah, that's just where like all my attention has legit been, you guys. Like, it's been a crazy month, you guys. My baby woke up, you guys. Okay, but yeah, so if you guys do want to check out my fitness journey, go check that out. I'm gonna go ahead and put that link down below, so go ahead and click it down below and it'll take you straight to that video. And yeah, if you guys want to see how I got this look using the Beauty Creations the Floral collection, I believe it's a Floral collection, don't quote me, but it's Floral Bloom, or I don't know if it's Floral collection or Floral Bloom collection, but it's their collection that came out a while ago. I know I'm a bit late, but kind of not, because like it's never too late, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, I did film this look using the blush palette. I don't have the contour palette, which I regret not getting. I need to purchase it for sure, but I just gotta have the I can't speak. I just have the blush one and the eye palette. So if you guys want to see how I created this look using these two palettes, just keep on watching. If you guys want to hear about the giveaway, yes, I'm having a giveaway finally, right? I just feel like I've been so disconnected with you guys, and you guys deserve, honestly, for being patient with me. Like, you guys are pretty loyal, honestly, so I feel like I owe you guys something. If you guys are just here for the giveaway, hey, come on, like, let's just be honest, because I'm pretty sure we've all done that. It's cool, I'm not heartbroken. But go ahead and fast forward all the way to the end, and I explain the giveaway details. I also put the details down below as well, but if you guys want to hear me talk so that it's more clear, just fast forward to the end, or just watch until the end, whichever you prefer. Alright guys, so let's just get into this video. First of all, you guys, don't mind my t-shirt, don't mind my hair. My hair like has product, like it looks kind of hard, or maybe like wet or something, like it has like that wet look. Yeah, it's a little bit hard. I have to scrunch out the product. I'm just not gonna do it right now. So I already have my brows done, as you can see. I'm gonna go ahead and apply foundation. Are you guys excited to see what look I can create with this palette? Like, I know I'm a little bit late, but it's cool because it's never too late. Honestly, like, look at these colors. This is like so my palette, you guys. You guys see how I'm obsessed with the HOOLA nude palette? Like, I use that one, like, that's legit my go-to palette. So like, for sure, these colors already, like, they're for me, you know what I'm saying? I'm taking my Cover FX Total Cream Coverage Foundation. Let me see if I got that right. I swear this is my favorite. This is in the shade G+40. You guys, this is my favorite foundation like ever. It's like legit done. So I need to go get another one. I'm gonna mix it with my MAC Pro Longwear foundation. Yeah, it's a little bit dirty, don't mind that. Okay, my hair needs to like move because this shit's bugging me a little bit. You guys, I purchased Sigma brushes, a new set of kabuki brushes. It's the new ones, the 4D, or what is this one? This is the 3D HD, but there's one that's 4D HD or something like that. But I bought the set. It still even has the wrapper, you guys. You see that? I love Sigma, you guys. Sigma is like my favorite, like for sure my go-to. I do recommend their brushes, you guys. Honestly, I want to say they're kind of pricey, but I feel like they're not for the quality. Like, I think they're just right. So I think you guys should try them out. You see, I still have the paper on them. And I've had them for a good minute, you guys. Okay, I'm gonna just go ahead and take the Curve Kabuki. It is brush F83, and I'm gonna use it for my foundation. So I've been trying this new thing where I just do my eyes after my foundation. I was doing my eyes first and then my foundation, but I don't know, I just started like trying something different. So it's been like working with me. Like, I feel like sometimes you just have to switch it up, you know what I'm saying? Okay, so I have enough of that. I look like a ghost. I am Casper's girlfriend. I'm gonna go ahead and put mix the MAC foundation, and this is in the shade NC20. It has powder all over it. I'm taking this RCMA translucent powder to bake. So I'm gonna go ahead and set my under eye. I have not put concealer actually. Wait a second. C135. I'm taking the Morphe concealer. So this is like a self-setting, I guess that's how you say it. I'm not sure. Concealer, so it like sets itself. Maybe it is called that, or you see that, you know what I'm saying? But yeah. And I don't really like to bake when I put this concealer on, but today I'm baking. Okay, and I'm gonna just take this small, this is a real old brush from Sigma. It's from like the bunny collection. It's like my first set of brushes from them. It's so old, you guys. So now I'm gonna bake. What the heck? You guys probably think I'm crazy. This girl needs to get her shit together. I don't blame you, honestly. I don't blame you. But trust the process. Okay, so now I'm gonna go ahead and start with my eyes. So I'm gonna take this blending brush from the Jaclyn Hill Morphe collection. It's the brush 09. And I'm gonna grab some of that setting powder, and I'm going to set, because I did drag on my foundation on my eyelid, so I'm gonna go ahead and just set my eyelid. Okay, just like that. So I'm gonna go ahead and take this color right here. It's called Floral, like a peachy color right there. And I'm gonna take any blending brush that I find, Sigma E40 brush. I'm gonna take some of that color and just okay, and I'm gonna go ahead and do the same to the other side. Okay, Okay, I'm gonna just leave the under eye part though, because I'm still doing eyeshadow. Okay, so then what are we doing? What is you doing, girl? What is you doing? Let me see, what am I doing? I'm gonna go ahead and take this other brush from the Jaclyn Hill Morphe collection. It's the brush 32, and I'm going to take this color right here. It's called Lily. I'm just gonna keep it low and blend it in. I'm gonna take that first blending brush that I blended the first color in, and just kind of blend it together. Okay, this color right here, blush, I'm gonna go ahead and put that on my lid. You could add to this look. I'm just gonna keep it like this and just add some lashes to it. Let me go ahead and finish up my face. I need to like take all this powder off. I'm gonna take the Sigma Firm Shader brush. It is the brush E57, and I'm gonna use it to add color on my under eye. So I'm gonna take that first color. I went in on with my eyeshadow, the color Floral. I hope I'm saying it right. Honestly, I hope it's not some fancy ass word that's like Floral or something. Like, I don't want to sound stupid, but if I do, I do. But yeah. And now I'm gonna add the second color I went in with, Lily. And I'm just gonna put it on the outer part. Okay, just like that. I still look like a ghost, but it's all good because I'm about to add some color. So now I'm gonna take the blush and contour palette of this collection. Is it? Oh, it's just blush. I thought it was together. So I'm gonna take my Cheek Parade by Benefit. You guys, this is so old. I need a new one. I'm always using this one. Look at that. Look at how like wasted. Yeah, I need a new one. It smells so good. I love this palette. I love Benefit. It's like my favorite blush, contour, bronze. Bomb. I'm gonna take my Dose of Colors angled brush, and I'm gonna take this color right here, Hoola, to contour. I'm gonna take this brush from the Jaclyn Hill collection, brush 02, and I'm gonna just blend this up. Okay, now I'm gonna take this palette, the blush, and I'm going to take this peachy one right at the top because it just looks so pretty. I feel like it doesn't look that peachy on camera. It looks a little more pink, but I swear it looks more peachy in person, and it's just so pretty. Okay. I'm gonna go put mascara on, my lashes on, and I'll be right back. Alright you guys, so this is the final look. I went ahead and popped on some lashes. Psych, these are my natural lashes. So since I don't know, I just thought this look was so like natural to me, and just like the pink and everything, I'm like, you know what, I'm just not gonna pop on lashes. I wanted to look a little more natural, so I just went in with a natural glam. Just mascara, you guys, just mascara. And I did use Dose of Colors. I did go in with the natural nude. So I went in with Super Natural. It's like legit one of the first lip stains by Dose of Colors. But it's my favorite. And then I went in with Barely There. I think it's like a really light gloss. That's why my lips look a little bit glossy. And yeah, this is the final look. I know you guys have been waiting this whole time, like, what is she gonna give away? Obviously it's gonna be something that I used, so I do want you guys to give this palette a try. So I went ahead and purchased one for you guys, so I'm doing a giveaway. One lucky winner is gonna get the eyeshadow palette from this collection. I know Beauty Creations just came out with a new collection. Well, they're coming out with a new collection in 2 days, I believe, or pretty soon. So I don't know, I might have another giveaway with that one too. I might do a tutorial on that one for sure for you guys. Let me know if you guys want to see more makeup tutorials. Let me know what type of makeup tutorials you guys want me to do. But to enter this giveaway, you guys, I'm gonna go ahead and put the directions down below, but just make sure you are subscribed to this channel. Make sure you do give this video a thumbs up. Make sure you also hit that notification bell as well, and comment when done for sure. And yeah, so I'm gonna be choosing a lucky winner. Make sure you're following me on Instagram, because I will be announcing the giveaway winner on there for sure. So I'm gonna go ahead and put the details down below so you guys, like, you know, get a better understanding on how to enter this giveaway. It's pretty simple, you guys. You just gotta make sure you're subscribed to my channel, you know, all that good stuff. But yeah, so I just want you guys to try this out. I don't like doing an eye look or like a makeup look and just feel like I'm just showing you guys, but like, I want somebody to try too. Somebody, maybe if you guys can't buy it. I mean, this is pretty affordable, honestly, but I do want you guys to try it out, because I really have been loving the colors with this palette. I just get very creative. It's very like natural to me, so if you guys like these glams, but I do get very creative. Like, I'll just randomly pick colors and just play with makeup. But I really did like these shades. And yeah, so thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye. Oh shit. What the heck, Jen? Wake your ass up. Gosh, do shit right, or don't do it at all. I mean, am I right or no? I'm just trying to film a video for you guys, you know? I'm really trying. I'm trying. Like, that was an ugly ass cry, honestly. Why can't I find out what this is? Oh my gosh. And like, come on. You guys didn't see that shit. And okay, you guys, what the heck, Jen? All right, whatever, get it together. 1 2 3 go.